If you have arrived here today feeling a bit worn down by the shadows and doubts of the world, you're exactly where you need to be. We often don't realize how much energy it takes to go through daily life challenges until we finally give ourselves permission to look for light. I'm Diana, and welcome to 3 Leaves. Today, we're opening our hearts to the gentle promises of peace, strength, rest, and love that the universe has waiting for us. Let's drop our shoulders, feel the earth supporting us, and take one deep, beautiful breath together as we step back into the light of our own stillness. Let the words wash over you and just breathe them in. I trust that there is something greater than me at work. The world has been turning for a long time, and it knows how to carry me. Even when the storm feels heavy, I know that I will be okay. My strength is built in quiet alignment, one step at a time. I am fully equipped for the hard things life asks of me. It is safe for me to receive help. I don't have to carry this alone. I anchor my spirit with trust in the midst of chaos. I give my mind permission to take a break. I release outcomes and events beyond my control. I allow myself to have good days and bad days without judgment. With every exhale, my body softens and settles into this moment. My very being is created in love. I am enough exactly as I am. I protect my peace with healthy boundaries. I extend compassion to myself and to others on this human journey. I deserve to find pockets of joy today. Take one more deep, full breath into your belly. Let it expand. Hold it for a moment, and then let it carry away any remaining tension as you exhale. Place your hands gently over your heart. When the world around you feels dark, you have the power to look for the light. Believe that it's there for you and you will find it. Thank you for being here and for choosing stillness. Take care of your mind. Take care of your body. Until next time, be well.